there, Mac user. In this video, we are going to talk about decluttering the desktop. So I'm on my Mac here. This is, I'm currently using Big Sur, but this is going to work for any Mac operating system, any of the most recent versions. And what we're going to do is we're going to declutter our desktop. So you can see here on my desktop, I've got all these icons. I actually went and created a whole bunch more files just to illustrate the point. But these get cluttered really easily, and especially when I'm recording YouTube videos, I want the ability to easily show or hide the icons on my desktop. So there's a real simple way to do this, and we're going to go through that real quick here, and this will only take a minute. So to begin with here, go to your Launchpad, and you want to find the Other category right here, and we're going to open Terminal, and here is Terminal. There's a super simple command that we're going to type in here. It is just simply defaults write com.apple.finder create. It is case sensitive. Create desktop, so camel case there. And we're going to say false, space false. Let me widen this so you can see it all in one line. So that's the command I just wrote. Defaults write com.apple.finder.create desktop false. And we're going to hit enter. And it's not going to do anything quite yet, because what we actually have to do next is we actually have to restart Finder in order for this to take effect. So in order to restart Finder, we just type one more command here, kill all Finder. And just like that, all of my icons are gone, which is awesome. So now when I'm recording videos, I don't have to have the clutter of all these icons cluttering up my desktop. Of course, so you're probably going to want to bring them back at some point. And the command is quite simple. See here in this initial one, we use the command of false. We're basically just going to change that to true. So we go defaults write com.apple.finder create desktop true. And we still need to restart Finder again, so now we'll do it again. So kill all Finder. Whoops. Keep doing that. Kill all Finder, which restarts Finder, and then all of my icons will magically come back. So super handy, super easy. You could also put this in a script and just have a single button that you run on a script, and maybe I'll create a video on how to do that. But with two commands here, you can hide all of your icons on your desktop. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. You know, hit a like or subscribe or one of those type things, and watch another one of our videos soon. Cheers.